This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Alright guys, we are here in this basement 1930s home. Lots of 1930s stuff still in this home in a kind of rough shape. What we're looking at here is the back side of a bathroom. So if you go out this door around the corner, whoop, that'll take you to a little bathroom. Got a little shower built in there, still pretty old like I said. And you got this water stain. And now originally I was thinking, oh well, they got some water leaking off these pipes. This might be for like a water softener, that kind of thing, right? But you take a little closer look, we actually don't have any dripping going on right here, all dry. So where's this water coming from? So I do have the water turned on in the shower back there, and this water is actually flowing pretty steady and down into this drain, luckily. So it just takes a real good eye to and really good experience. You know, we've done thousands and thousands of inspections over the years, and just putting, you know, one piece of evidence next to another, and boom, we can find out what the source of this water is. So really good catch here. We'll put this out to this buyer. Hopefully they can get it taken care of. You know, something like this, maybe the seller can help them out with. So good catch here, and we're on to the next one. This is Brandon, the Home Inspector. We'll see you on the next one.